Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to tell you the story of Dr. Faustus. Okay, this tragic history is written by of Dr. Faustus is written by Christopher Marlowe. Okay, who was Dr. Faustus? Dr. Faustus was a doctor, philosopher, scholar, and having the knowledge of religion. He studies religion also. Okay, he also having the knowledge about necromancy. It is about black art, and he sold the main theme of the Dr. Faustus is he sold his soul for 24 years to Beelzebub, and he was dragged into the hell at the end. Okay, let's read the story with the help of the characters. Okay, who the main characters are here. The Pope, an old man, Cardinal of Lorraine, scholars, friars, and attendants who come and give messages. The Emperor of Germany, Duchess of Venholt, Duke of Venholt, Lucifer, Dr. Faustus, Beelzebub, Lucifer, Beelzebub, and Mephistopheles. These are the villains, and like a form of Satans who lives in the hell. And Wells, Cornelius. These are the friends of Dr. Faustus. Who Wagner was a servant of Dr. Faustus. Cornelius, good angel, and servant to Faustus, evil angel. Okay, now I tell you, Dr. Faustus sold his soul to Mephistopheles for 24 years. Many times, good angels came to Dr. Faustus to argue him to not sell his soul to Mephistopheles. But Dr. Faustus wants to get the knowledge, wants to learn the art of black magician. That he that time he was possessive to learn the art of to learn black art. For this he want to have the power, a power of the world. So Dr. Faustus in the beginning do not realize what he was doing, but later on, as the time passes, when he was dug into the black hole, or dug into in the sin, full of sins. That time he was no time to move back. And after 24 years, many times during this journey, many times good angels came to Dr. Faustus and knock the door of his heart, to move back. But Dr. Faustus did not do this. He was lost to learn the art of black magician. So Mephistopheles asked once if you want to return back, but Dr. Faustus did not agree. So good angel also came many times, but at the end, what happens? Dr. Mephistopheles took his soul after, as the 24 years had finished. Mephistopheles took his soul, and took the Dr. Faustus to the hell. And not some like good things happened with Dr. Faustus. He got very bad things with himself. That's all.